सरस्वती नमो नमः। मा सरस्वती नमो नमः। विद्यादायिनी नमो नमः। हंसवाहिनी नमो नमः। ॐ सरस्वती नमो नमः। मा सरस्वती नमो नमः।
We welcome you all in Sai Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences, Sai Business and Media School, Sai School of Nursing.
Sai Institute was established in 2003. We have started our journey only with 17 students. Since then, every year we are adding new dimensions to our institute to improve the quality of education. ISO certification is in itself is a proof. For that, we are having an excellent staff who are motivated, dedicated and very hardworking teachers. To get more exposure other than the academics, we are having extracurricular activities in the form of cultural activities, sports activities, trips, excursion trips like education trips in the form of industrial trips, hospital trips, etc. We may stress that study should be taken very seriously because hard work done at this moment of life will pay you in future. Mere getting degree, that is not enough. You must have knowledge of that subject. And I assure you that you will get enough opportunities in your life. Just you have to grab it. Because it is well said that opportunities are never lost. They are taken by others. So grab each and every opportunity that comes in your life. I welcome you all and hope that your journey in Sai Institute is going to be wonderful with good memories which you can cherish throughout your life.
Sai Group of Institution was established in 2003 and there was just 3 programs with 17 students, but with the efforts and dedication towards education, we have grown into a pioneer institution. And now we are standing with 1500 over students with their bright future and a broad smile. 25 plus courses in management, mass communication, computers, physiotherapy, MLT microbiology, biotechnology, biochemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry, botany, zoology, chemistry, agriculture, forestry, horticulture, hospital administration, nursing, public health, and many more with the qualified and experienced faculties and good ratio of students. We believe in the quality of education, so the affiliation and accreditation of our institution is with ISO 9001-2008 certified, NAC accredited HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar, Uttarakhand Ministry of Medical Health and Family Welfare Government of Uttarakhand, Shri Dev Suman Uttarakhand University, Indian Association of Physiotherapists, Nursing Council of India, Uttarakhand State and Nursing Council, Uttarakhand State Medical Faculty.
Good morning parents and my dear students. Our mission is to impart professional education and develop core competence in various professional disciplines. In order to meet the demand for competent human resources and contribute to the national well-being of the nation. Thank you. God bless you all.
Good morning to all of you. Our vision towards education is very clear, as we want to set an example of academic excellence by offering education facilities which open up employment opportunities for both urban and rural students alike. We just want to be trendsetters in professional education and bring education in India at par with best colleges and universities world over. All the best to all of you. Thank you so much.
Some salient features for which our institution is well known is that our courses are approved by Ministry of Medical Health and Family Welfare Government of Uttarakhand. We have cross-disciplinary, inactive and transformative teaching techniques well qualified and experienced faculty members. It's a record that we every year have excellent results and ever growing list of university toppers. We want to polish our students as gems. For that, we have various development workshops, seminars and conferences. We also believe that practical knowledge is also important for the students to get the exposure of their field. Educational tours, institutional and industry visits are arranged for the students. Research opportunities, cultural and recreational activities for the students. We also have well-equipped and conferences, seminar halls and laboratories to facilitate students. We also have well-stocked libraries and computer labs with the facility of internet so that students will not get any difficult to study their field. In our institution, we have healthy student-teacher ratio. Facilities of canteen with the quality of food, well-equipped hostels and college bus for the convenience is also available. We have Science Sparsh Rehabilitation Center at 26/26A Rajpur Road, Dehradun. We have collaboration with Max Healthcare Dehradun, Synergy Institute of Medical Sciences, Center for Research in Biological Sciences. The place where you can vastly study about your field is library and Sai Group of Institution well-stocked library. The place where you can learn practical knowledge of your field is laboratories, and we have well-known equipped labs with facilities of all the equipments. We know that studies are main point for which students come to the college, but we also believe that extracurricular activities are also important to enhance your personality. Now let's talk about those who have put their effort and dedication to build this institution on their shoulders. Yes, let's talk about Sai Group of Institution founder, Mr. Harish Arora, the chairman. Mr. Harish Arora sir stands tall in the field of education. Being a visionary, he sent a vacuum in quality professional education in the Doon Valley, and with a view to fill gap, he founded SIPAS, Sai Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. Under his brilliant stewardship, SIPAS has diversified from paramedical educational to cover biotechnology, microbiology, pharmacochemistry, biochemistry, mass communication, business administration, to name a few, coming from a very prominent family of Dehradun. His business interest also lies in the field of hospitality and travel. His vision and leadership is sure to propose Sai as a model education institute not only in the Dehradun but all over India. Moreover, being considered and humane, he also takes initiatives to push the poor and less privileged students to help them achieving their dreams. Mrs. Rani Arora, Vice Chairperson. Mrs. Rani Arora ma'am, Vice Chairperson of this institute, is post-graduated in management from HNB Garhwal University, being from the management field. She also joined hands with her husband in managing the institute and taking Sai to greater heights. Since 2003, Sai Institute believes in quality professional education in the valley. Under her brilliant stewardship, SIPAS has diversified from paramedical education to cover physiotherapy, biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, pharmacochemistry, lab technology, mass communication, business administration, computer application, hospital administration, nursing. Mrs. Arora takes affirmative action in enrolling poor and less privileged students from remote area of the country and offer them concession in fees and help them in getting scholarship. She listens and solves the problems of students and motivates them to do better in academic and inculcate good qualities in them to make them as a good citizen and do well in life. In other words, she is a mother to all the students. Mrs. Arora is involved in social welfare activities also and is a member of many social welfare communities. Mr. Rajat Arora, MD.
A very good afternoon, students. My name is Rajat Arora and I am the Managing Trustee at Sai Group of Institutions, Dehradun. On behalf of our fraternity, I take the privilege to welcome you to SAI. I want to congratulate you and thank your family for taking the decision to pursue your graduation with SAI. Picking the right institution is not an easy decision, and we reassure you that we will be with you every step of the way to help you build the career of your dreams. Among the many advantages that SAI offers, the ones that stand out for me are: number 1, our city, Dehradun, state capital of Uttarakhand, renowned for producing some eminent personalities and harboring some premier institutions in India such as Wildlife Institute of India, Indian Military Academy, Forest Research Institute, among others, most of which you'll be happy to know we have a training tie-up with for your exposure. Number 2, a city campus on main Rajpur Road, Dehradun, in the heart of the city, is not just safe, central and accessible, but it offers our students an unprecedented advantage of our almost 20 years of relationship building with the best organizations in the region to gain exposure through internships and trainings. To name a few, we have training tie-ups for our paramedical, nursing and healthcare programs with Max Hospital Dehradun, Fortis Hospital Dehradun, Krishna Medical Center, City Heart Center, Apollo Clinics, SRL Labs, etc. For our agriculture, forestry and horticulture programs, we have a 20-acre farm in the city and have tie-ups with Forest Research Institute, Wildlife Institute of India, Horticulture Mission Uttarakhand, Veer Chandra Singh Garhwali University Bharsar, and many more. For our management and mass communication programs, we are member Confederation of Indian Industries, Via India, Roundtable India, and offer some of the best internship opportunities in the region at top corporate houses and media houses. What sets us apart at SAI is that our internships lead to placements. A strong emphasis on academics, co-curricular and practical training make college a fun-filled journey towards a bright future, while you have us with you every step of the way. Without taking any more time, I look forward to welcoming you in person very soon and wish you the very best. Thank you.
Hi everyone. On behalf of our management, faculty, staff and students, I, G.B. Sebastian, Director Academics, would like to welcome you all to SAI Group of Institutions, Dehradun. SAI Group of Institutions have become a center of excellence in the field of professional education over the last 20 years. We are committed to providing academic excellence in the field of public health, hospital administration, physiotherapy, nursing, lab technology, life sciences, agro sciences and management. I'm extremely proud of a rich tradition of providing best quality education, practical exposure, campus placements and experience-based learning to our students. All our education programs aim at preparing our students to become leaders with professional expertise necessary to meet the challenges of the industry. Our faculty is a team of dedicated teachers whose guidance prepares our students for wide-range careers and lifelong learning. Our pass-out students are in leadership positions in their respective fields, having been well prepared through practical training, internships, field work, research opportunities, and most importantly, excellent and inspiring teaching. With this message, I would like to conclude by wishing each one of our students, alumni and the future students a very successful and fruitful experience together. Thank you.
At this SAI Group of institutes, we have graduation courses in agriculture, that is BSc Honours, Forestry, Horticulture. So these three courses are in the graduation level, and then at the PG level we have MSc in agronomy and MSc in horticulture. So the main feature, what our syllabus and our that activities which are in the academic field, which are having the mainly focus we are giving to the ICR institutes. And in the ICR Institute, then 5th Dean Committee recommendations are there for the syllabus of this BSc Agriculture. So they have revised the syllabus, and then now this Sridev Suman University also has adopted the same syllabus. from the 2021. So those all the recommendation as given in the 5th Dean Committee, so they have been adopted, and in fact this is the national education policy. Changes in the national education policy, they have been implemented in the 5th Dean Committee recommendation, and these courses they have been more diverted towards the practical use, so that the whatever graduates that human resource we are training, they should be quite able to take the activities in the field straightway. So as you know that India is a agriculture country, and our economy, even the GDP, some 14 to 15% GDP is coming along from the agriculture.
Sai Group of Institution Core Academician. Our respective principal, Dr. Sandhya Dogra ma'am, is MSc Biosciences with a specialization in medical microbiology from Jabalpur University, and holds a degree in MPhil and PhD. She has several publications in national and international journals. She has been giving her services in this institution from last 11 years and has been working on administration post since 2005. She has teaching experience of 20 years and research experience of 6 years. Dr. V.D. Sharma, Dean Academic Professor. V.D. Sharma sir is MSc in Veterinary, Microbiology and PhD from University of Illinois, USA. He has more than 50 years of experience in the field of research and teaching. He has more than 100 research papers published in national and international journals. He retired as Joint Director of G.B. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, and at present he is a Dean Academic in our esteemed college, that is Sai Institute, since 2007. Teamwork is an important element of institution success. To administrate the institution, we have administration department in which we have Mr. R.K. Sood. Mr. R.K. Sood has more than 40 years of experience in the field of library sciences. He retired from Zoological Survey of India, Calcutta, which is Asia's biggest library of zoological sciences. Under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, as Library of Information Officer, he is a life member of Shridi Sai Sansthan Shridi founder, member of Central Government Library Association, and present treasurer of this body. He is also the editor of Annals of Forestry and International Journal of Forest Sciences. Besides, he has also attended various seminars and conferences at national and international level. Mrs. Sunita Pawar, Mrs. Meena Kochar, Mr. Pawan Rana. In Admission Department, we have Mrs. Sunita Pawar, Mrs. Ritika Demri, Mr. Himanshu Demri,